How to create histogram in Power BI using Python. Prerequisite 1. You need to have following installed on your computer. Power BI Desktop, Python, Pandas Library, matplotlib library. Please refer to online sources for current installation instructions. Or, if you want to see a video explaining the steps, subscribe and leave a request in the comments section. Prerequisite 2. Background data. In this exercise we use a simple table with only one column, age. The data consists of 100 rows of random ages. You can create the test data from Data View, enter data, then type in values and click Load. Creating a Python visual. In the Report view, select Python icon from the Visualizations section. A Python script editor window opens on the bottom of the page. Selecting the data. Drag and drop the fields you want to visualize into the Values area. Next, go to the Python script editor. Python code. Below is the Python code to create a histogram. Copy-paste the code into the Python script editor. You can also find the code in the video description and copy it from there. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. plt.hist, dataset.Age, bins equals 10, edgecolor equals #FFFFFF. plt.xlabel, age. plt.ylabel, number of persons. plt.title, population distribution by age. plt.show. Code explanation. Line 8, import matplotlib library for use. Line 10, define what is plotted, hist equals histogram, what data is plotted, age column, number of bars/bins, 10, and border color, #FFFFFF, which is white in HTML color code. Line 11, label for x-axis. Line 12, label for y-axis. Line 13, chart title. Line 15, display the graph. The result should look like this. Press the Run button on the upper right corner of the script editor. That's all. Your visual should now appear and look like the one on the left. You can modify the look, such as color of the bars, by utilizing the options given in the matplotlib library. But what if the frequency is in another column? This will be covered in another video. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out when new content is released. Thank you. Do you need help to get started? For more information and inquiries, please find contact information in the About section.